What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you what to do if your Warzone is keep crashing in your PC. So there are a few things that you need to do in order to get this issue fixed. So first thing first, make sure that you go to your graphic card drivers. For me it is AMD, and then just all you have to do is to make sure that it's up to date and there is no pending update to it. So here, as you guys can see that I have a pending update right over here. So all you have to do is to click on download and install it. So by doing this, your issue will be resolved in no time. So there's another method that you can perform in order to fix this issue if the issue still persists. So the other method is go to your Steams and make sure that you go to your Warzone. So when you go to your Warzone, make sure that you go to the repair files of the game. So once you repair the files of the game, any buggy file or cache file which is corrupted will be resolved down. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.